There was a window in there, now there's a door. That load that was on the trailer is gone. Took it to the scrap, got rid of it, and now we're getting more. Now it's the heavy stuff. So just put the engine up there. Now I got the transmission hooked up, so we'll see how this works. This is not mine. This is my buddy there. That's the trailer that the shed came on. So anyways, works pretty good. Well, I'm not sure if we're going to get rid of that diff or not. Oh, the handle of that crank got me in the jaw. It's tender. I luckily didn't break nothing, but it's a little sore. Anyhow, so yeah, I think I might leave that diff and use it. I can easily make a trailer. I don't need no springs or nothing. Just as long as the wheels go around and I can tow it. Yeah, I think I can do that easily. It won't be roadworthy, of course, but good enough to go over there. Because I just got to go over here, down there, and there's a boat launch, so that's quick and easy. So there we go. Now just gonna get this, get the mini excavator, and I'll put that on there, in the back here, and then I'll see. I might be able to get some stuff off the old motorhome down there and make a full load. I had to put another layer on because the window's still a little chilly, and hands I'm trying to keep them warm. But yeah, I got one window out. Here's another one. These windows are all exactly the same. That one is manufactured in 08, so still in good shape. But you see all these stains here, like the water was getting in. And this is all wet, eh? This is all wet. So these guys had every single hole with 2.5-inch screws all the way up this side, and then nothing on that side. So here you go. Here's the same thing on this one. Every single hole screwed, every single one. I mean, there's no, actually this one's got no nail slots in this flange, but anyways, you know, that's overkill big time. Like, there's no need of that. You'd never blow that window out with an explosion if you tried. So anyways, and you can see then this stick-on stuff was there, and then they put this roofing over top, and yeah, it's just a crazy way to build a place. And it didn't last. I mean, so it might have been 15 years this was here. Might have been. And anyways, it's leaking, and anyways, coming off. So just want to show you some of the crazy building practices that were done here. Okay, so we got to fill this opening in. So in order to do that, we got to fill this in, but I got to put a door in down there before I can fill this in. If not, we'll be trapped, right? So let's go have a look at that. Now, that's a good day's pay there so far today. 4 windows. They're all really good windows. Nothing wrong with them. I'll reuse them again. So that's good. Now, down here. Okay, there's that window there. I gotta get that one out, and that's where the door is gonna go. So, yeah, so I guess I'm gonna get this scaffold. Close by here. And, yeah, that'll be the safest thing to do. I'll probably take a layer off of that. And, yeah, okay, let's do that. Okay. Well, there was a window in there. Now there's a door. There we go. That's our new entrance now for getting in and out. So that worked out good. It's kind of temporary there because I didn't have any shims. Ooh, quite a bit of wind coming through here. And look at this. I just built a set of stairs. Actually, they're inside the house. I'm repurposing. So yeah. So that looks a lot better. I just put some tape over the seam there where the plywood joins. This is going to be tie back over all that again eventually. But yeah, that'll work for now. Yeah, this will be good for the summer. Well, I got to do some groundwork out here. Kind of got to fill this in a little bit, probably. Level it off. It's kind of all over the place when I start filling this hole. So, anyways, that's good enough for now. And like there's quite a breeze coming through here. And yeah, just a deadbolt. So that's the door that was on top out here. So, yeah. So that's a good achievement. Now, next thing is this wall here. Won't be today. Getting kind of tuckered out for today. So, yeah. So Holly's been, let's get rid of this. Yeah, so Holly's been going hard, taking off, or cleaning up some mess, and getting the nails out and tearing off the paper on here. So, yeah. So there's where the door came from, right? And it won't be long we'll get that thing down for sure. Got some scaffold took apart, gotta take that back to brother-in-law. Yeah, things are looking good. And it's still cold in the low 40s, I guess. 6 or 7 degrees, whatever. So anyways, that looks a lot better. That's where the permanent door for the shop's going to be. I'm going to put a slanted roof up there too, eventually, or soon, hopefully. Well, back at the I'll call it the shop teardown, or part of it. So we had a lot of rain last night. Man, did it ever rain. Well, it rained so hard at one point I got up and put my life jacket on just to be safe. Of course I didn't need it, so that's good. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna knock out this wall here. And it's pretty, it's warm. I'm gonna call it warm today. Yesterday was 6, that was about 42.8. Today I think it was 8, so I don't know. We're still less than 50 degrees Fahrenheit, I guess. So, you know, no flies, that's a good thing about it. So yeah, good day for doing weather. Lots of pooling water everywhere. Actually, over here, there's a brook. I can hear like a rush of water, so it's coming down from the hills, I guess, from the rain last night. So it's really loud, hardly any wind here now, and it's
Don't forget to be at the top, honey. Oh.
can't reach it.
You need to sell some.
Success!
You want me to draw nails?
Thanks for coming out and helping today, Holly. Your work is much valued.
Oh, well.
Any little bit of help at all? Please don't leave any nails in the driveway,
Try not to.
because won't be good.
No, we're not keeping the
So-
galvanized ones, are we?
No, put them in a different pile. Yeah, so this is what we're tearing apart today. Okay, so some time has passed, got some work done. It's warmed up a little bit, but now it's windy. It was really dead calm this morning, but anyway, so this is where I'm at so far. I got that wall filled in, and so now you can't access anything. You see this was open, that was open, that was open. So anyways, this is all filled in now. This is gonna be the true wall, or the finished wall. I don't know if it's straight this way. I kind of left this all loose. I can shim that out, or whatever I got to do to make it straight, because this is a piece they built on, and I don't know if it was straight to that building or not. So anyways, we'll figure it out after. Now I'm ready. I can tear all this off, and then of course I took off some flooring. So it was a big thick 3/4, or I think it was 3/4 tongue groove flooring. There was 3 sheets there. course the ends of it was rotten and wet, so I sawed all that off. That's all there now to be burned. And then they just had real thin 1/4 or 3/8 plywood down on these planks here, so anyways, not much of a floor there, but yeah, so we're coming along. So I'm gonna leave that now. I gotta take apart that stuff inside there first. That's the next step.